and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of MS Word. If you didn't see part 1, so please go ahead and watch it first. So let's get started by clicking on the search button, and then we're gonna click on Word. It doesn't matter which version you have, because this video would still help you. I've got Word 2016. Okay. Here, as I told you in Word Part 1 about the tabs, we have an Insert tab. We're gonna go in there. And then we're gonna, as you can see, there are many sections like pages, tables, illustration, add-ins, media, links, comments, and head and footer. So here we have this section, and header and footer is basically like the header is the starting of the page and the footer is the ending of the page. And we could also add some page numbers. So we're gonna click on header, and then here there are many types of headers. There are blank headers, another option, but there are three columns in it. There is an Austin header, banded header, facet even page, facet odd page. There are more headers for offices, for example the element header or the insight header. We could also edit an header if we have already added one, or we could also remove them. For example, for now, I'm gonna take elements header, and here we could also just put the document title. For example, I'm just giving you an example, TechCat. Okay, so here we could just write anything, and then we're just gonna start writing anything. Yeah. So, and we could also close the header and footer by clicking on close. And then it's just gonna be a little lighter, and then it's gonna close immediately. Okay. Now here, after the Insert tab, we're gonna explore the Mailing tab. Here, we have this section of Create. Here is the Envelopes button. What does it do? Let's check. It's gonna load a little, and then here we could also just put envelopes. We could also write envelopes in words. I think you never knew it before, but now you know something new, and I'm glad to teach you. So here, we could just write the delivery address and then the return address, and then we could also print it or just cancel it if we want. Here, next to the Mailing tab is the Review tab. Here, as you can see, there is the first section, which is called the Proofing section. Here, we could also check our spellings and grammar. Here you could see it's underlining the TechCat. We could and it's giving options that instead of TechCat, it could add Dakota, Ancient, and Weak Chat. But we could also change all. We can also pronounce it
TechCat.
Like this.
TechCat.
And we could also see the definition. But first we have to sign in using my Microsoft account. We could also ignore all and then also add it to my dictionary or things. Okay, never mind. Here, after this proofing section is the language section. Here we could also translate any text, or we could also change its language. That's amazing. For example, I wrote hi. how are you? Or I just wrote hi. Okay, now I'm just gonna select it and then go on to language. If I wanna language, I'm just gonna change the language. Set proving language. Here, mark the selected text as This is English or Arabic. Yes. Let's put Arabic. Saudi Arabia. Okay. And here it was set that if we see its information, then it will show us that this is Arabic language. But we shouldn't use this because this is an complete chaos. It's a mess. So you should avoid using this. Here, after this language button section, there's a comment section. As I told you in Word 1, the video number part 1, here, if we go to insert, here is a comment section, and here it could add a comment. As you can see, this same button is in review, new comment. So it could add a new comment. Yeah, so this is good. We could also just add new comments from here. But we don't need it for now. So for this, we could also delete it. Like all these. We're gonna delete it. Or we could just delete it. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see is the start inking button in the ink section. What if we wanted to draw on Word? We wanted to draw and think, but for example, we go on home and then we can't draw anything. What would we do? I don't know. Well, I do know. We're just gonna go to the Review tab and then click on Start Inking. We could also select the, for example, the color. I can take the color from here also. And I could also just, for example, I'm just gonna take in it 6PD. And look. Wow. This is amazing. We could actually just draw on it. Wow. Super. Fantastic. Isn't it? We could also change its color, put it on highlighter mode, or on just normal drawing mode. For example, this. It's just drawing. Wow. This is amazing, actually. And it makes our letters or documents more interesting. And if we want to stop inking, then we could just we could just stop inking and we could just close it like this. We're just gonna stop the inking, click on stop, and then it won't start inking. We could also just delete it, Okay, delete. Here, next, let's come to the View tab. Here you could see the Zoom section. We could also zoom in. Okay, zoom. Look, we could also zoom in. How cool is that? We could also zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. That's kind of amazing. Yeah, let's call it amazing. Okay. Here we could also just zoom in and zoom out, or we could also click on here and then look. We could also select one page. So this is one page. There could be multiple pages like this. Or we could also just select the page width. Look, now it's zoomed in. Amazing. And here, after the zoom section, before the zoom section, here's an show section. Here we could also show the ruler. As you can see, the ruler is this and this. The diagonal, the horizontal and vertical rulers are in here. They're placed in here. Here we could also just select the box again, and then there are no rulers. No rulers. Here we could also put grid lines in it and rulers. Or we could just unselect the grid lines. If we want to do mathematics on Word, then we could of course select grid lines. There's also a navigation pane. Here you can see this is the navigation section. Here we could search any document, our old documents which we have done on Word. Okay, we're just gonna leave this. Okay. And did you know that there's another amazing thing on Word? Yeah, we could just go to tell me what you want to do, blah 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 blah, like this. Here we could also search something. If you just type H in it, there are many options. Add header, change %, like that. We could just select highlighter. Look, this is amazing, actually amazing. We're just gonna select this box, and look, it also works from here. So here, this is actually an search bar, this thing. So we could search any tool which we can't find in here, or we have difficulty to find in these tabs. So we can always find it. For example, leave a comment, edit editor, or print. We could get help on print, smart lookup, like everything. Print layout, display printing option. We just selected print and there are so many options related to it. Wow. Amazing. Here, so it's really enough for today, and I hope you liked my video and learned something new today. Bye bye, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your other friends and relatives so that they could become fast learners. I hope they are fast learners already, but they could learn something new just like you guys. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.